All right, we should be live. Let me make sure Twitter is good. Yep, we're good. Okay. What is VIX doing right now? Starting to bounce. Okay, so here's what I was talking about. It's trying to bounce already, so it's putting in a big bull div. It's either going to be a nasty sell-off, like a waterfall, or it's going to create this 1 hour and 50-minute bull div. That's a lot of premium, Dime. I don't know if Dime can't hear me, but that's a lot of fucking premium on Marriott. Right on a daily pivot. You just failed a daily pivot. What are they taking? $85 strikes for October 16th. Those are in the money. Those are already in the money. They're buying deep in the money. Yeah, those have the most volume today. 2.6 thousand.
You said SoftBank is back?
I didn't see anything about SoftBank. They might be buying Marriott. Fucking, they were buying a bunch of tech stocks.
Over here buying out the money and shit.
This is, yeah, they bought a shit ton of contracts. 1450, 1450. They're already up a lot. These contracts are going for almost $15. They're down a little bit on these. Those are the only contracts that are getting volume today, basically. They have an 84 delta. They're buying deep in the money. That's a strong bet. Sitting on a 4-hour pivot. 1 hour bottom signal coming in. Got a 50-minute bull div, 50-minute bull div as well. Looks like a ladder setup though. Ladder down, fail, ladder down, fail. Premium is bad on these because of a $5 strike. Not terrible though. Yeah, it's pretty bad actually. 25%. You're making 100 to risk 400. Not worth it. You could sell the 95 puts. Where does that put you? Puts you right down here. Those aren't awful. what's crazy is you can sell same day SPY contracts for a decent premium. I mean, it's a pretty fucking risky bet, but you're getting like a 25% premium on same day, and we only have 50 minutes left. Like, for example, you could sell the 331s here if you thought it was going to bottom here. Extremely risky, but giving you a decent credit to do it.
Foundation's back.
You have an 80% probability of profit. 331, that's not too low though. Probably wouldn't be a bad strategy on like a sideways day, but on a trending day like this, it'd be a little scary.
Deja.
What's up?
I just noticed that DXY has pumped into every election for the last 20 years.
Every single time?
Yep.
Nice.
Wait, you said DXY?
Yeah.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
That
Look at
means-
you going back in time.
That means metals and nukes every election.
I haven't looked at the metals comparatively. I mean, as we know, gold and silver have kind of been like accumulating for the last 2 election cycles. 3 election cycles. Let's see. When was the last one? 2008? Yep, pumped. 2004. Dumped for 2004. 2000. $2,000 was pretty much the all-time high, or the last all-time high, I should say.
Yeah, if you look at January, so like right after the election, I'm looking
For
at
which-
4-year candles. So these are, or sorry, 1-year candles.
I'm looking at the weekly chart.
Let me go
Because
down.
sometimes they won't do well during the previous weeks of that year, but into or at the election, the dollar is stronger than it was 2 weeks prior, or a month prior, rather. I don't know, Zach. I'm only looking at DXY right now.
Huh.
2004 seems to be the only time that the dollar hasn't pumped into an election. We may have had other economic issues going on at that time, but
Yeah,
it's
so
worked.
here's November pumped, November pumped. Yeah, 2004, yep, failed. And then 07 failed too, 07, 08. But then it pumped in like the next year.
Yeah, you have to look for the actual November timeline. If you look at 08, from like June to election day, it pumped.
I don't see that on 08. Oh, you're in 08. I'm in 07.
Yeah, the
There you go.
Obama election.
The election was actually. Oh, so I'm looking at the wrong one. Yeah, so this would be.
When the Democrats won.
Oh, I did these all wrong. I'm an idiot. I did them 1 year off.
Yeah, it's you got to look at for the 3 to 6 months surrounding November of that year.
Yeah, I did November of the year before because I'm an idiot.
I still love you.
So I need to move these up. November. Let's see. Yeah, so he immediately pumped in 96. It dumped in 2000, but then it came back. It did pump right into the election, though.
Yeah, that's my point.
Yeah.
We're not concerned about what it's done for the year. We're concerned about the next 4 weeks.
Yeah, it makes sense.
8 weeks rather.
Hey, Kevin, I appreciate the resub, man. 11 months coming up on that 1 year. Yeah, so you pumped up in 96, pumped up in 2000, you pumped up right after the election in 04, you pumped up into the election in 08, and then pumped into the election and. Oh, I need to move this one actually. Yeah, so into the election, you sold off a little bit in 12, but then after the election, you pumped.
Jack, I think they actually the market opened and then the attacks happened, and then I think they closed the market for the rest of the day. It's one of the few times in history that it's happened.
Hey, check this out.
Yeah, and then 16, when Trump was elected, it pumped into the election, nuked after the election.
Yep.
This is like the first time we're seeing this where it sells off heavily into the election. We saw it in 12, actually.
2007, early 2008, it was nuking. It
That's
was
true. Yeah,
absolutely
yeah.
nuking.
Because that was a. Well, I guess, yeah, now and 08 are rare occasions, right? You had the recession,
Yeah.
and then you had.
Oh yeah, that was the recession. I
Yeah.
forgot about that.
Yeah, so you had the recession, then you had the coronavirus. Makes sense. So now let's compare this to. I wish it would keep these lines when I moved over. It's not going to. So sadly, we can't use XAU and XAG for most of them because they started in 07. If you look at Oanda.
I'm using TVC.
For XAU.
Oh, sorry for DXY.
Let's see, does ICE have further data? Okay, yeah, so ICE has further data.
Hmm.
Let's see. November of 08. Pumps. November of 04 sells off and then pumps.
Silver Thursday.
November of 12 nukes.
You see the caps?
Yeah, but why are you showing this to me?
Cause you're finding shit out.
It's what I do every day.
I've been trying. I've been trying to tell people, but everybody thinks I'm crazy. But
What have you been trying to tell people to get out of silver?
not to just look back in history.
Zach, yes, I am very aware of the silver daily and the 4 hour.
The silver is kind of a rare, like doing this on silvers, or sorry, on gold. Doesn't really work because gold has been pumping so fucking heavily the past 20 years. It kind of destroys all of your
Correlations.
year special events. You know, I mean, there's no special events to see on the gold chart because it's just going up. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
just keep going up.
So in November of 2000, it goes up. In November of 04, it goes down, then it goes up. In November of 08, goes down, then it goes up. 12 pumps into the election, then nukes. 16 pumps into the election, then nukes. November pumps into the election. Are we going to see the nuke? The last two elections, it pumped into the election, then it sold off. Before that, it was basically just going up. And you saw a little bit of a sell off after the election. What's it look like on silver? Let's see.
Well, the thing about looking at metals is even if like they have volatility within that period, they have their own market cycles that they've been going through.
Exactly, yeah.
Evo, I believe it's sold off initially, but yeah, we started rallying very quickly after that. Let me go back and check.
So on silver, basically the same thing as gold.
See.
Yep, 12 and 16 sold off.
Yeah, November, what was it? Oh, it was November 8th. So it looks like SPY initially sold off like really, really badly down to 200, 203, and then it just immediately started rallying. So it did initially nuke, but then it was almost a stop hunt, kind of stop hunt you'd see on crypto. Look at the daily candle for November 8th. No, November 9th, rather.
Yeah, weren't they saying like the week after Trump got elected was the fastest growth in the stock market after a president was elected or some shit like that?
Yeah. I didn't have any SPY I didn't know how to trade back then. I didn't have any SPY. I was convinced that Trump was a fucking idiot and he was gonna nuke the stock market, and anyone buying it here was a fucking idiot.
Yeah.
I was wrong. I was really, really wrong.
Yes, those spy contracts that I was just talking about. The one, dude, you could make some money on these, like fucking really risky money, but
Did you see those Marriott calls I posted in
yeah,
the chat?
those spy contracts I was talking about, you could have sold for what did I say, like $18 for risking like 80 or some shit, like 25% credit. They're already basically worthless, so you could have bought them back already. You'd have to burn day trades though to do a strategy like that.
Oh wow. Do you remember Theranos?
Yeah.
Mental disease.
Yeah, we were talking about that. She's trying to claim insanity.
What a fucking idiot. They were so fucking fraudulent, if I remember correctly. I haven't read into the case. I just remember everyone telling me it was horrible.
Is it me, or did they mess her hair up to make her look super insane?
They probably did that on purpose.
Oh,
Yeah.
100%, dude. She
It's
got
like,
crazy eyes though, man.
dude, it's like Weinstein. You see, he was in a walker, like trying to make people feel bad for him.
And Bill Cosby was blind. Remember that?
No, I didn't watch that whole thing.
Oh, I didn't either, but I remember that he was like walking into uh the courtroom with like the stick that they use.
Yeah. Guy's an idiot.
Evo, don't tell me the market's flying and SPY's up 0.00% for the day.
That Marriott trade is like deep in the money.
Are they?
Yeah, they're buying. It's at 98 right now. They're buying 85s.
Oh wow, those are expensive too.
Yeah, they're buying deep in the money. He's already up a lot. The guy who bought those. And natural gas is getting murdered. I want to hold these fucking calls because of all these hurricanes coming in. But the calls are getting murdered.
UNG puts coming in.
Yep, so VIX is waterfalling like I was talking about. It's either going to waterfall or turn this into a div. So far it's waterfalling.
I think VXX is going to dump until the presidential debates. And then it's either going to nuke more or pump if they don't like what Biden has to say, or if it looks like Biden could win.
Yeah. You just lost a 1 hour pivot on VIX, which is sketch.
Just looking. Caesar, I can't hear you.
No.
Ah,
What?
I don't know. You made a noise, so I just.
Oh, I
kinda
tried to say nah.
Oh.
Man.
Meh. Meh, Kappa. Meh.
Yeah, sure. You see that free touchdown you got yesterday?
Oh, of course, dude. In garbage time?
What a fucking joke, dude.
Dude, that was funny
Easy
as hell.
run, baby.
What a fucking joke. Oh no,
I
not
was pissed,
not the run. The run, that was another free touchdown. That was stupid. The one that there was the penalty on that they didn't call.
Oh, they didn't call that? Yeah, fuck yeah, let's go.
What a free fucking touchdown. Most blatant false start I've ever seen.
I'm pretty okay to
Yeah,
me.
but at the time it was like 31-14 or something.
Yeah, the refs didn't. The refs were already done for the day.
No, they're just trying to fuck up the spread at that point.
Yeah, did you see my guy fail to get in the end zone at the goal line 4 times? Holy fuck, dude.
Yeah, did you see what I wrote? That he's the worst short distance runner.
Dude, he's terrible. On the inside, holy shit, dude, he can't go anywhere.
Nah, he got hung out to dry by his blockers.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
Because you got the DBs stuffing the line.
He's also tiny. You see how small that guy is?
Yeah, he's fucking little, dude.
In reality, he's probably like 6'3", fucking 200 pounds plus. But he just looks
No,
tiny.
I think he's legit like 5'8".
Oh, is he tiny? He's really small. He looks
Yeah,
tiny on the field,
he's
dude.
short, dude.
Workhorse doesn't look bad. I think it can get to 24 pretty easily. 24 and then 24, 25 should be pretty easy. Yeah, holding over the weekend sketch, but it looks really good right now. 24, 25, 24.50, and then breakout targets would be like 26. Dude, that SPY premium I was talking about just literally was so easy. It sucks you would have to burn day trades for that. What is Apple still falling? What's Apple doing? It's recovering a little bit. All the tech charts look exactly the same. You have a bunch of pivots coming in on the tech charts. Amazon, Netflix, Facebook. Home Depot looks pretty good. Bounced off this pivot, recovering. Home Depot is definitely one to watch for next week. If it gets above 280, it could fly pretty quickly.
The Home Depot options are so annoying, though.
Yeah, they are trash. All the stocks that are around that price are trash. Gold looks really interesting because you're breaking this descending triangle to the upside. And it's like riding that line. The gold doesn't look too bad if it bounces here on Monday. I looked at Nvidia, there's not much to say about Nvidia. It looks pretty sketch right here. It loses this level, it's gonna fucking die. It did have one of the best bounces though. This 50-minute bull div is really solid. Yeah, 1 hour is on a pivot as well.
475, is that what you're looking at?
Yeah, yeah, 477.
Yeah.
It could turn into like a bulldog too. So if it bounces and then pulls back right on the 50 and then pushes up. It does not look too bad. Home Depot looks really good above 280. Yeah, UNG is just getting murdered. Not finding any higher value. Been decreasing value for like 6 days. Tesla is losing value, but it's trying to reclaim it. So Tesla for Monday, you need to watch this. It could go back to 400, or it could go back down to 350. You need to see where it opens.
Do you kind of see an inverse head and shoulder on Tesla 15 minute?
Let me pull up my candles. Like how big? Like a big one or like really close?
Nah, like a real close one.
Looks more like a bulldog to me. Let me see.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you now. Yeah, I'd say it's more of a bulldog. So double bottom, pop up, pull back, and then it could pop again.
I've been messing with my damn mic for like the past 30 minutes trying to get it to work on my laptop.
Oh shit, I see it. I'm an idiot. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, I'd say a bulldog. It looks really good. It holds above these moving averages and above the POC. It looks pretty solid. I think my premium will get filled on Monday to sell my premium. Or to get out of my premium. The theta should burn it enough. I'm up 30% on that SPY premium that I sold earlier. Any of you guys followed me on that? You got Apple puts, Raj? Is it going down that much? I think Apple doesn't look too bad, but if you lose this level, what did I say yesterday? I posted analysis on Apple. I said it's in danger of filling the 106 gap. So yeah, you could nuke the 106. If it loses 110, it did not lose 110. So look at where it bottomed today. It bottomed at 110, like to the penny. Yeah, you should be alright. If it fills that gap, it's looking good. 106 gap. Support at 110. You fail 110, it's donezo. Good gap down on Monday, we'll see.
Damn, I get that, but 95K? What the fuck, man?
For what?
So this couple in Dubai, they spent 95 grand for a gender reveal.
Jesus.
95 grand for a what?
Gender reveal.
Were they Americans?
And they don't look Americans, no. No fucking American would do this.
I mean, the couple that set the fires is probably going to spend about that much.
I was gonna say in Dubai, that's like nothing. Like lunch money. They're fucking rich. One penny USD, yeah. Buys back above VWAP.
What? What? What?
And lost VWAP. You guys like playing earnings? LEN has earnings next, I think Monday. I think Monday, yeah. Up 3% today.
So I just noticed, right? What's the concept behind not having earnings Friday after hours? So that's just a thing?
I think it's because there's no post market. Because it goes into the weekend. There is a post market, but it's not the same, you know what I mean? Because you're going into the weekend. There's no
Right.
market the next day.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I saw that Evo. I sent that to Dime. That's so stupid to me. Fucking returning $14 million. You're out of your mind. Like people are like saying he did the right thing and like everyone's like praising him for it. But a lot of people are still gonna hate him anyway. So would you rather be hated with $14 million, or would you rather be hated and being broke? It's a stupid shit coin. Guy who made a coin called Sushi is one of those like Uniswap coins. And like I was telling Dime, the guy made so many people a lot of money. Everyone who got into sushi early and held on to it made a shit ton of money. Of course, not everyone's going to make money. It's trading. People are going to fucking lose money. Big deal. No, he did get doxxed, I think. I think people did dox him. That's what Dime said, I think. Now, yes, what he did is shady, 100%. He's the creator of the coin, and he dumped all the coins on his fellow traders. Pretty shady. He still made people a lot of fucking money. Now, morally, is it the right thing? Probably not. But what did I say earlier? There's business and there's morals, right? And like, come the fuck on, man. If you put a lot of money into a shitcoin called Sushi that's basically brand new, and it's got absurdly high, like, APYs, and you didn't expect to lose most of your money, you're a fucking idiot. I don't feel bad for people like that. Now, if he blatantly scammed them, then that's a whole different story. But he didn't blatantly scam them. He created a coin. It started fucking pumping ridiculously fast. He made a lot of money, so he decided to sell his stake. Big fucking deal.
I don't see anything wrong with that.
What'd you say?
I don't see anything wrong with that.
Yeah, I agree. I don't see anything wrong with that either.
I mean, you knew the risk going in. I mean, you have to.
Like I said, if I was a guy trading sushi, and I took my fucking life savings out to buy sushi, and then he dumped on me, I'm an idiot. You can't blame the fucking founder of sushi. You know what I mean?
You got doxxed, Evo.
Yeah, he did get doxxed.
You got doxxed, bro.
But who cares, dude? Look over your shoulder with $14 million, hire some fucking security.
People just need a reason to get pissed off at someone else. That's it.
Like, the odds of someone hiring a fucking hitman to go after this guy, are you kidding me? They're bitching about losing all their money in sushi. You think they've got enough money to hire a hitman?
Why would you buy a coin named Sushi anyway?
That's what I'm saying, dude. Like I said, I do not feel bad for a single one of those people. Does it fucking suck? It does. It does suck. Did people lose a lot of money? They probably did. Did they lose a lot of money they couldn't afford to lose? They probably did. Is it Sushi Guy's fault? No. Some people's money is better in the hands of other people.
Damn.
Damn, Deja, that's pretty deep.
It's truth, though. It's the truth.
Yo, tweet that.
Stick truth.
So what you're saying is we should cash out on JMA's credit card.
I mean, he did make a stupid mistake. He should be punished.
Oh, he's not here right now.
Wait, what did JMA do?
My life is centered around stupid mistakes.
He was paying for something and he had his
He
card
was
details.
live streaming the Preem drop, and he put his credit card details in and his address.
Yeah.
That's not good.
I told him, look, I wasn't watching because I wasn't on voice. I told him I don't care about his money. All I want is his dog.
Yeah, I wasn't watching either. How did none of you guys watching say anything? You guys are shady.
Yeah, you guys are sketch, dude.
You guys are sketch as fuck, man.
Screen recording and shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. You're sketchy as hell.
Yeah, that was a little too sketch right
Yeah,
there.
that was a little
What?
fast, dude.
Oh my god.
You've done this before.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. Like,
He's
Turns
got
the table.
experience.
that's plan A for him.
I mean, like I said, I wasn't watching, and JMA can easily point me out. If you have any charges from South Africa, that's probably me.
That's
But-
true. I didn't think
so
about that.
I'm good.
We're gonna fucking geolocate you guys.
I would literally just order Uber Eats to Los Angeles. That's me, that charge.
Honestly, if I wanted to piss him off, I'll order a shit ton of pupusas and send it to his house.
Yeah. Guy's dying again.
Like a giant one, like a 30-pound pupusa.
Yeah, like the size of a pizza.
Yeah. They're gonna deliver it on like a Mini Cooper. Like on top of the Mini Cooper.
I had a stage in my life where I thought Mini Coopers were pretty nice. And that stage went by pretty quickly.
Oh, okay, I was like, are you still in a weird place? Or?
No, that went by quickly.
All right.
But I did have a stage where I was looking at them and they were like, oh, that's not too bad.
Hey, I had one.
When was that?
I'm messing with you.
Weren't they kind of fast?
Nah. I mean, there's like the John Cooper works, which is like the special edition one, which is like pretty decent. They're okay. I mean, they're not bad cars, man.
Those are the kind of cars that work in Europe where the streets are so narrow.
That's true.
Yeah.
If you've ever been to any big European city, man, the streets are really narrow and your parking spots are really small.
I think like the 1980 Mini Coopers are sick. Like the old
can
fucking
get-
metal ones.
You can get one of those Fiats or the smart cars.
All right. Did you know it only takes 2 people to flip a smart car?
McConnell
Yeah.
says it doesn't look good for another aid package.
Oh, right now?
7 minutes ago. Doesn't seem like the market gives a fuck.
What's an A package?
Like a stimulus.
That news. Yeah, I don't think a second stimulus is happening. I thought the market already reacted to that.
Yeah, I don't think people care anymore, to be honest.
Yeah, it needs to happen. Market needs to shrug off its dependency on the stimulus. It's fucking
Yeah.
annoying.
Are we playing COD this weekend?
Probably not. I'm pretty busy this weekend. I gotta redo that video. So if you guys came for the video last Saturday, the spread video, or like all the advanced strategies, I'm gonna remake that tomorrow. So we're just gonna completely from scratch remake it. I'm gonna do it in a lot better way to understand. I'm gonna use like live examples on like why you should pick the strikes and what each one means. I'm gonna be using Tasty Trade too, so it's gonna be a lot easier. Yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. Then I've got the summary of markets on Sunday. We've also got football on Sunday, so you guys can get your ass kicked in fantasy. I had something else. I can't remember what the fuck it was. Yeah, Castro, you can't leave your house, dude.
Dude, all my plans about to get canceled, dude.
Dude,
I know there's like
the air
people
quality
suffering
is bad.
and evacuating. And I'm out here complaining about can't go outside.
Wait, how far are you from the fire?
Not that far. I mean, like there's one in Pasadena, which is really like close to my house, like 10 miles away from downtown. There's like ash like raining outside my apartment.
You park your car outside?
Nah, I have a garage.
So I haven't read the story on this. Was this a natural fire or was it from the gender reveal?
They
stuff?
think people are causing it. People are doing it.
There was one really big one that started from the gender reveal party that just fucking went on a tear, but the NorCal ones started from like lightning or some shit.
They're trying to say, I don't know which ones it was, but they're trying to say they look like they're man-made, like they're purposely done
But why though?
because they keep starting next to the same freeway.
That's so fucking
Because
weird.
people are fucking weird, dude. It's 2020.
People are into People are like
There's more
arsonists
weird
and shit.
people than there are normal people nowadays.
That I can agree to.
We just got massive volume the last 1 minute candle. And now it's selling off.
Castro, just go to the fucking gym.
Bro, there's no gyms open. I
Dude,
live in
buy a
Los Angeles.
In
Peloton.
Cali?
Peloton
Bro,
Plus,
it's on a
man.
2-year back order.
Peloton is?
Correct.
What the fuck?
That's insane.
Oh my god, dude, I have a problem. I just typed peloton.com. I don't even know the spelling of Peloton.
Just the plus one or like their bikes total?
I think the plus one just came out, no?
That's what I mean. Is that the one that you were trying to look at?
I was looking at the original one.
And it said 2-year back order?
Well, I'm obviously exaggerating, dude. It's like a 16-week or some shit back order at one point.
I didn't think you were exaggerating. I thought coronavirus was really that bad.
Wait, so Castro,
I was about to
since
buy
the
some
beginning
calls,
of
dude.
COVID,
Well, what?
since the beginning of COVID, you all haven't had gyms open?
They all closed, dude. Gyms here in Los Angeles have been closed since late March. They opened for 1 fucking week and then they closed again.
What part of LA are you in?
Downtown, like financial district.
We had this discussion before, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because I think I remember telling you I grew up in Inglewood. Right?
Yeah,
I'm so
I remember.
SoftBank
I'm so
said to
fucking
consider
upset.
changes to their options trading strategy. This was around lunchtime. So they're not just buying everything, I guess. That their original strategy was buy everything in bulk. It was like a Costco strategy. They're changing it. Everyone in the comments is saying they're switching to puts. That's not good.
What comments?
For SoftBank changing its options trading strategy, they're the ones who have been buying all the tech stocks. All those massive orders we've been
Oh.
seeing on like Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, fucking Amazon, everything. It's been SoftBank basically.
Yikes.
So it looks like there's going to be a tech rotation.
Wait, what? There's gonna be a tech rotation? Why?
As SoftBank is the big tech buyer, and they're thinking about changing their strategy.
Let's see.
And people found out that SoftBank was doing it a while ago.
Let's see.
Yeah, looks like SPY's going to sell off end of day. We have 5 minutes left. We'll see. VIX is trying to bottom into the close. Gonna try to go to Iron Age today. We'll see if there's a 4-hour fucking wait like there was last time.
Going to where?
Iron Age,
What is that?
Korean barbecue.
Oh.
You don't have those in Cali?
Never heard of it. I mean, we have Korean barbecue, obviously, but like, you know, real Korean barbecue.
Iron Age is real Korean barbecue.
I mean, I live in like K-Town. It's like real,
Yeah,
real.
that's Centerville is K-Town. That's our
I
K-Town.
mean like real.
Yeah, yeah. Raj, you're from Northern Virginia, aren't you?
Yeah, I lived there like almost 10 years. So
Yeah, you've been to Centerville, right?
Yeah.
Tell him Centerville is K-Town.
So you telling me?
Also, Annandale. Also.
So you telling me a Korean lives in K-Town? Nah.
Yeah, Trent, Northern Virginia. Yeah, where's JMA?
I believe Fairfax is still one of the richest county in the U.S.
Oh,
Top
we
three.
have 7 of the top 10 richest counties in the country.
Bro, just come down here one day, bro. I'll take you to a real Korean barbecue place. Like real. I'm looking at the reviews, man. Not impressed. Not impressed.
All right, what's your Korean barbecue? That we might have one in our area.
It's Hollywood. I mean, I give you some credit.
Is this all you can eat? This
Yeah, it
Iron
is.
Age place? It
Yeah.
is? Okay.
Now, to be honest, the one across the street, fuck my girlfriend. I forgot what it was called. I asked my girlfriend, she told me, and I forgot again. Let me see.
Thanks, Huss. I appreciate it, man. These guys getting their sources from like Groupon and shit.
Groupon.
All right, guys, we're gonna head out soon. What are the matchups for this weekend? Who's playing who?
Me and Castro are still playing. He's getting ready to get wrecked. He might be saved. He might be saved by Mike Evans' hamstring. We'll see. You already got a free touchdown, and I didn't get my free touchdown, so I got robbed of fucking 12 points, basically. Give you a little bit of a handicap.
I don't know, man.
Who drafted Cam Newton? That's
John.
Do you have a honey pig near you, Castro?
Honey pig?
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never heard of it.
No. They're in our area. They've got really good bulgogi.
Let me look it up. Honey pig. I do have a honey pig. I've never been here though.
What'd you say, Raj? Is pretty ghetto?
No, it's like I say ghetto, but it's kind of like I guess kind of a little bit more mainstream for me. I like the other one better. I forgot the name of it.
Iron Age is way nicer. I know what you mean. It's more of honey pig is more of a like. It's not as fancy. It's more of like it's almost like a fast food style, but it's not like fast food, but it leans that way. All right, there's the bell, guys. Not an awful week. Not a good week, but not an awful week. You guys green or red on the day for our final day of the week? Green or red on the day? Not a whole lot of trades happening lately.
Yeah, I've just been sitting out.
Yeah, I've just been selling premium.
My spy calls got wrecked this morning, but
I'm selling puts. I'm up 20%.
You see that last closing candle on Tesla? That volume? Holy
No, is
shit.
you good?
There's a 20K fucking buy volume. Yeah.
Nice.
Just to close. It's the highest of the day. It's funny how that works.
Deja, have you been to like what Yachan? That's the one that I'm.
No, I haven't heard of that.
It's in Annandale, so I guess it's probably local to that area.
Yeah, Annandale's a little farther away. I stick to like Fairfax, Centerville.
Like 30, 40, 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's not terrible. That's by the
Yeah,
there's a Top Golf up there now.
Oh, nice. There's a few top golfs in Northern Virginia, I think.
Yeah, we got a couple near us. I think I'm in the middle of like two.
I like Loudon one when I go up there. It's like I guess it's considered like Ashburn.
Yeah, Ashburn. I think that's where one of them is.
It really took off.
Oh, it's ridiculously nice now. Ashburn and Loudon. Loudon's the richest county in the country.
Yep, it is now.
These Californians, they think they've got the fancy shit.
Bruh.
It's celebrity versus politicians.
Yeah, exactly. We've got the government money. You guys got some celebrity money. We've got government money.
Endless. Just keep printing it.
We got old plantation money.
All right, bro.
I'm not taking anything away from LA, just so we're clear about that.
I don't know, man. There's a lot of words being said right now.
One politician here probably has more money than half the celebrities that live near you. Which is fucked up, to be honest, but
Yeah.
it's the way of the world.
Should have been in politics, dude.
Yeah, really.
What am I doing with all that? Hey, have you seen this, by the way, Deja?
What is it?
Look, check Discord. U.S. Senator trading performance. Why is this even a thing?
No, I have not. What? What is that?
Oh.
I'm not clicking that.
No, it's real. I mean, I'm looking at Cruz, Mr. Cruz. He's doing all right.
Oh, this shows like the senators how they're trading.
Their positions, yeah, because they have to disclose all their positions, right? So someone created a tracker for it.
Oh my god.
So it shows like like their purchase price when they purchased it and how their portfolio is doing basically.
Who's doing the best?
I don't know. I haven't clicked everybody.
This Richard Blumenthal guy's getting wrecked.
Yeah, he's probably in tech.
Roy's getting wrecked. John looks like a fucking Bitcoin
Ooh,
chart.
dude, Tammy Duckworth.
Killing it.
She's getting killed.
Dude, look at Maria. Maria Cantwell.
She's
killing it. Killing
What
it.
the fuck?
Straight up, dude.
Killer, dude.
Insider trading.
Ted Cruz ain't doing too bad. Slow and steady.
I think Maria's person's doing pretty good. Collins, Susan, what? The girls are all beating the men, dude.
Yeah.
I'm surprised Ron Wyden has the time to do anything if he's trading this much.
Susan Collins and Maria Cantwell are doing the best. Oh, look at this person. John, dude, look at John Cornyn.
I'm gonna get off here for a little bit.
Gotcha.
Later, brother.
Dude, this guy's killing it. We need to buy what
Yeah.
he's buying. Ted Cruz is getting annihilated.
He's doing all right.
Look at the guy above him, John. That guy's doing really good.
Pretty interesting though, huh?
Yeah, pretty cool. Can we see their actual trades?
Yeah, scroll down.
Damn, Tim Kaine's killing. I think Tim Kaine's doing the best. Yeah, Tim Kaine's doing the best.
If you look down, you could see their senators and what they bought.
Yeah, if you scroll down, Ron Wyden has
Exxon, AT&T, Square, Fox, or FTX.
he bought a bunch of
FedEx,
Square.
Nvidia. Yeah, he bought a fuck ton of Square, dude.
Anybody buying Intel or Ameren? That's what we need to look for. You need to look for them buying Ameren, dude. Dude, a lot
No
of their
one's buying
portfolios
Intel.
look exactly the same. They're all being managed by the same person.
No one's buying Intel.
Yeah, that one guy's doing the best. That John guy. We need to follow him. What
Yeah.
state is that guy?
I think John Cornyn is Texas.
John Cornyn. Yep, Texas. Senator of Texas. Man, 68 years old. Killing the stock market. Hey, he went to University of Virginia. Look at that. That's why. We teach people well, man.
Bruh.
Not like he went to California or anything.
Wow. I'm a Bruin dude, and I turned out all right.
Can you filter by the guy? Like, can I filter by John?
I think you got to sign up to look at more data. I don't know if
Yeah.
it's free or not. I'm actually trying to sign up right now.
A lot of insider trading going on. So if they all start selling Apple, we need to hop on board and sell Apple.
I see Ron Wyden was selling Intel.
That's not good.
Dude, this is sick. You could have a lot of what's it called notifications. Like, dude, look at these notifications. I just signed up.
Yeah, I'll see you guys. Eileen, Caesar. I'm going to end the stream on that, guys. Appreciate you guys being here, as always. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I will be streaming back on Monday again. Like I said, if you're in Discord, doing a couple things this weekend. I'm going to redo the advanced options trading strategy video. We're going to do that again tomorrow. And then Sunday, summary of markets, options watch list, and then back trading again on Monday. So I'll see you guys in the Discord, 9:30 in the morning, or 3 p.m. Eastern for the stream. You guys have a good one.